Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and the latest discoveries in space and science. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to have you join us today. As we gaze up at the stars, we often wonder about the mysteries of the cosmos. One of the biggest questions has always been, why is our universe dominated by matter when scientists believe that equal amounts of matter and antimatter should have been created in the Big Bang? This is a puzzle that has puzzled physicists for decades. But now, a team of researchers thinks they may have found a clue. They propose that tiny black holes, born in the first instance after the Big Bang, could have played a crucial role in tipping the balance in favor of matter. These primordial black holes would have been incredibly small, with masses around 1,000 kilograms each, about the same as a small car. As they evaporated and exploded, they would have sent shock waves careening outward, creating a ripple effect that could have set the stage for matter to take over. This theory suggests that the universe was once a featureless, energy-filled expanse, but the explosion of these tiny black holes could have created the conditions necessary for matter to dominate. The researchers believe that the black holes would have formed from fluctuations in the density of the early universe and would have lived and died within a fraction of a second. They would have spewed out energetic particles, known as Hawking radiation, which would have heated up their surroundings and created a shockwave. This shockwave could have provided the perfect conditions for matter to gain the upper hand. As particles crossed the boundary of the shockwave, their mass would have changed, creating an excess of matter that could have been locked in as the universe expanded. While this theory is still highly speculative, it's an intriguing idea that could help us better understand the origins of our universe. The possibility that tiny black holes could have played a role in shaping the cosmos is a mind-boggling concept that challenges our understanding of space and time. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're exploring the fascinating world of space and technology today. In our previous segment, we talked about the latest advancements in asteroid detection. Now, let's dive into a story that highlights the importance of design and user experience in space exploration. As NASA's Artemis II mission continues to make headlines, it's not just the technological prowess that's impressive, but also the attention to detail in designing the spacecraft's interior and user interfaces. The team behind the mission has been working tirelessly to create an environment that's not only functional, but also comfortable and intuitive for the astronauts on board. From the layout of the control panels to the personal quarters, every aspect of the spacecraft has been carefully considered to ensure that the crew can perform at their best. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about creating a sense of community, pride, and purpose among the astronauts. The designers have taken into account the psychological and sociological aspects of living in space for extended periods. They've included features like individual climate control, lighting options, and even decoration choices to make the crew quarters feel more like home. But what's truly remarkable is the emphasis on autonomy and flexibility. The astronauts are given a degree of freedom to choose their own schedule and tasks, which is essential for maintaining their mental and emotional well-being during long missions. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, it's clear that design and user experience will play a vital role in ensuring the success of these missions. It's not just about building a spacecraft, it's about creating a habitat that supports the humans who will be living and working in space. The attention to detail and commitment to creating a comfortable and intuitive environment is a testament to the dedication of the teams involved in the Artemis II mission. As we look to the future of space exploration, it's exciting to think about how these design principles will evolve and improve. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've got an exciting update for you as we wrap up today's show. The Artemis II mission is making its way back to Earth after a successful 10-day journey to the far side of the Moon. This historic mission marks a major milestone in NASA's plans to return humans to the lunar surface by 2030. The Orion capsule, carrying its crew of astronauts, is expected to re-enter Earth's atmosphere on Friday, April 10th at 5:07 p.m. PDT. The spacecraft will reach speeds of up to 38,400 kilometers per hour and experience temperatures of up to 760 degrees Celsius during its descent. The crew will also endure forces of up to 3.9 Gs, which is nearly 4 times their weight, after spending a week in microgravity. As the capsule enters the atmosphere, it will go through a 6-minute communications blackout due to the extreme heat generated by the reentry process. But don't worry, this is all part of the plan, and NASA's team will be closely monitoring the spacecraft's progress. Once the Orion capsule splashes down in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of California, the astronauts will board a ship for an initial medical evaluation before traveling to Houston for further debriefing and testing. This mission is a crucial step towards achieving NASA's goal of returning humans to the Moon and eventually sending them to Mars. The success of Artemis II paves the way for future missions, including Artemis III, which will focus on perfecting the technologies needed for a lunar landing. And with private companies like SpaceX working on their own lunar descent modules, the possibilities for space exploration are becoming more exciting by the day. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.